Hello, everyone. My name is Esther Pierre, and I'm very excited and privileged to present to you the pitch deck financials of CloudTech. CloudTech is a computer manufacturer created to target segments in Europe, Asia, and South America. The success of our strategic business unit is attributed to the formation and expertise of our executive team and the ability to perform and strategize in a highly competitive market. It is our belief that our focus on customer needs and business opportunities will secure CloudTech with a profitable position in the market. Our market plan has detailed strategies which resulted based on the scorecard items and our target market. This includes advertising, branding, financial positioning, marketing effectiveness and performance, as well as our product sales, channel distribution, and contingent efforts to remain dynamic and fluid in the fast-paced technological marketplace. Our vision is to view changes in the technological market as an opportunity to grow, to use our profits and our ability to develop and produce innovative products, services, and solutions that satisfy emerging customer needs. While our mission is to provide the highest quality computer at a competitive rate in order to supply and satisfy the demand required by our target market. Our executive team is made up of firstly myself, where I currently hold the position of VP of Sales and VP of Finance and Accounting. We then have Ms. Sharon Prasad, who is our VP of Human Resource Management and our VP of Manufacturing. We also have Mr. Shane Prasad, who is our VP in Marketing and our VP Business Analytics. Currently, CloudTech is holding 24% market share in the Traveler segment and 22% in the Mercedes segment respectively. We currently have 4 products on the market. They are the Cloud 9v1, Cloud Pod A2, Cloud Viper, and the Cloud Expand. In the last quarter, CloudTech scored a high rating as we greatly improved our marketing effectiveness with better assessment of our target markets, wants, needs, and demands for the products and services we offer. This assessment allowed us to recognize that everyone wants more for less. Thus, we realize that lowering price for the same goods is a powerful magnet for customers. As a result, we are determined to be fully focused on supplying customers with quality, affordable products, so much so that in quarter 2, we would have enhanced and improved upon the Cloud 9v1 and the Cloud Pod A2 while introducing the Cloud Viper and the Cloud X-Tab. Through benchmarking and customers' feedback, we are confident that we have created the best product in the market at the best prices. As I mentioned before, our aim is to offer a higher quality product at the best price, informing every one of our products through advertising as a sales force and ensuring product diversification as a means of ensuring success. Based on this, the actions we decided to take in order to reach our objectives are to continue to develop the 2 target markets of Mercedes and Traveler, continue funding research and development to fuel new technologies and ensure that brands are always ahead of rival firms, further development of other target markets and determine their potential for heavy investments, increasing innovation in our brands to give our segments more choices and create more market shares, looking at our competitors continuously at their prices to ensure that our prices are highly competitive as well as a means to gain market shares while still leveraging our brand judgment. And lastly, to lower prices or increase rebates to increase price judgment for our customers. Looking at the data here that deals with our marketing effectiveness, we can see that the organization dominated in growth rate in demand. The market growth rate is an essential factor when evaluating the viability of a new or existing business venture. When our executive team assessed the current rate of growth in comparison to our competitors, we were able to make more informed decisions regarding business planning and marketing strategies moving forward for the next quarters. And you can see this is what resulted from the actions that would have put into play at that point as we increased from one dimension to the next. Looking at our SWOT analysis, we can see that Cloudtech has a unique advantage through our SWOT to make informed decisions that would allow us to become highly competitive in the computer market. We understand that strategic agility requires these characteristics for an organization to be successful in its strategy development. So in an effort to further ensure that the firm's strategic direction is based on a review of the company's situation as well as a review of the forecasted external environmental trends. These are our strengths we would use to focus on minimizing our threats we may face so that we can take the greatest possible advantage of the opportunities available to us. As we dive into the financial aspect of a company, we would firstly like to see that from quarter 1 to 3, our revenues increased drastically, as you can see based on these charts. This chart illustrates to you how we were able to increase our sales over time and how fast our business has expanded from quarter 1 to quarter 3. Additionally, you can see by looking at our gross margin that it has significantly increased from quarter 1 to quarter 3. This is essential for Cloudtech because we were able to manage issues regarding prices that are too low and direct costs that were too high in the last quarter, which could have led to larger problems concerning break-even and profit. This also shows you how well we are able to control costs when we had limited cash in hand. Overall, we believe that Cloudtech needs to strengthen our customer relationships and increase in market size via additional funding that would allow us to further grow and expand our target market to capture more market shares, add 1 or 2 products for our target market and increase sales, continue to develop new technology and research and development, develop a good marketing mix, take more risk and be more aggressive in taking advantage of business opportunities, lower prices, holding on to our competitive position, which will be gained based on customers' demand for our products and overcoming competitor strategies by being more effective in scheduling production, managing inventory, working on quality control, investing in capacity expansions to attract partners, and maximizing service utilization rates, achieving product differentiation through packaging, marketing, and innovation, and lastly, for our company to fulfill the order requirements of our resale partners at the lowest possible cost. Therefore, based on all what I have just said, we are requesting from you, our soon-to-be investors, a sum of $4 million so that we can begin on expanding our company so that it can have an opportunity to reach its highest potential. So we have a simple chart right here which deals with our financial summary. If you take a look at our financial summary, this is what we plan to do with the $4 million that we would like to get from you. So we have our gross revenue, we have our anticipated expenses, and we also have our projected profits. If you look closely, you can see that in year 1 and 2, while we expect a loss, you can see that we will quickly pick that back up in year 4, where we would break even. In year 4 and 5, you would see that by that time we would have a steady flow of profits that would sustain our livelihood within the market for years to come. Also, based on the chart, looking at our net profits, we did our return on investment, which we anticipated to be in the 5th year at 200% of the investment. So we are very confident that within the 5 years, well, actually within 3 years, where we would break even, and then in our 4th year, we would be able to give back what we would have, what you would have invested in us, and then we would have a steady flow within the 5th and beyond. So I would just like to take this opportunity to say thank you for taking the time to hear us out, and we hope that based on all we have said, that you would take into consideration how much of an opportunity this would be for you to invest in us, because we have already projected how amazing this business is going to grow and all the great things that we would have achieved, sustaining marketability, lowering prices for our customers, focusing our customers, and changing technologically to keep up with all the changes that comes with this fast growing, changing world where technology is concerned. So once again, I say thank you, and I hope that you would really consider giving us what we need so we could give back to you what it is you would need, which is a return on what it is you are about to invest in us. So thanks once more.